Hey y'all, I actually recorded everything and had issues with my camera, so I'm not going to be opening the boxes, but I am going to show you guys everything that I got. I don't know what hit on the camera, but everything was in slow motion and I had no audio. I don't think you'd want to watch that. So, the first thing I grabbed was the big trash bag. The big trash bag, I could see what it had in it, obviously. So I grabbed that so I'd be able to use that for storage. So that bag had this cute little chickie. That was $24.99. And it had all these baskets in it. So it had 5 white baskets. This basket, which didn't have a price. But if you watched the last video, I was pretty disappointed in my store not having a lot of items priced. Not just the unboxing, but the actual like things when you're shopping. And I will say, much, much better. Almost everything had a price on it. All the stuff in the stores now has it, but what I've realized is that a lot of it's Ashland, and the Ashland manufacturer stickers are back. It's not the ones with the price, not the ones that just say Ashland, where they were having to tag everything. So very happy about that. All right, next little basket, little baby round one. And this one was $29.99 normally. A big round one, that was $39.99 normally. And then we've got 2 different ones that are not rectangular, oval, sorry. The oval's $39.99 and $44.99. Now, I really wanted the baskets for organization. And what you can do if you want to put them like in cubes or on a shelf is just cut off these little arms here. So they're kind of separate. They have like one little piece there. You can usually cut that little piece and pull them out or saw through, depending on what you have and what you can use. So $39.99, $44.99 on a rectangular. Just one basket would have been $10, so that was awesome. Our first box, we've got these little decorative eggs for $4.99, like a silver metallic. Some cutlery. Those are $9.99 each, and there's 2 of those, which is awesome. Don't feel like doing dishes. Super cute Big Mama Chick. So as a comparison, where's our little guy? See, little guy, big one. And the Mama Chick is $34.99. We've got another little baby chick. Not a price, but we just saw, so I'll add that in. Some pastel foamy eggs. Those are $4.99. Easter parchment paper. Those are $6.99. This is super cute. So this one is, you put it together like that. Ooh, I made my fingers. So instead of it being one of the light up ones, it almost makes like a little wreath, like that. It's pretty cool. That is $9.99. You've got little pastel sprinkles. These are from Sweet Street, and they are not priced though. That's them. Might be able to use those again at like Christmas time. A wood chick craft kit, $6.99. That, and you paint it. That's pretty cute. It'd be nice if it had some like little arms or something, right? Or like a little tail. Anyways, this is so super cute. I love this. This is like that melamine stuff, and it's $14.99. But look at the little detail around the border. It's got like little, I don't know what those are called, like little hobnail thingamajigs. And we got these iridescent eggs that are clear. Those are $4.99. We have 2 of these, which is awesome because if you want to put these out with the money. See, it's got a similar design, just doesn't have little hoppy nail things. But 2 of those, $14.99 is the regular price. And this is super cute. The little Easter tin. Now you could also take like all these little things if you get these 2. These little foamies, $24.99. This is a small bunny. You could take this and like if you get the little eggs and all that too, but you could, and the baskets, you could put this in the basket, do all the little eggs around it, and then, you know, start to make like a little centerpiece. We've got 2 things of cellophane bags with buffalo check stuff. Those are $3.99 each. This is $9.99. I can't remember if I said. Nice, another no dish night. So you got salad plates and dinner plates. These are normally $24.99. Oh, yeah. These little guys, we got some of these in the other basket. I don't know, I guess it'll go off. Regular price $7.99. So those are the tags they were having to do for a little bit that were missing. We've got little, they're kind of like, they're not jute. They're almost like, I forget what that stuff's called. That stuff that you wrap around. But those are $9.99. And then these were kind of a cute concept, like little eggs, little carrots in an egg thing, carrots in the egg crate. Those were $24.99. Wow. Those would be cute too. Not necessarily those, but if we're doing that basket like I was talking about with putting the eggs and the bunny in there, you could also, of course, put the carrots, which would be cute. Sweet Street, little bunny heads and like bunny butts. I'm sure they're probably to decorate bunny icing decorations for like cupcakes. This has no price on it. And I thought this was so cute. I never saw it for Easter, but look at this. Oh, it's got stuff on it from the bunnies. Look at that. It's like a little Easter bunny dish, bunny butter, bunny butter dish. Isn't that pretty? That is $19.99 normally, and it has no breaks or chips, unlike the Christmas stuff. So I'm already stoked off of just that stuff, because if you watched the last video with the Christmas was not it. It had hardly anything in Christmas, and it was like the boxes weren't very full at all. They were like half empty, if not more, and stuff was broken in it. And there weren't any prices. So this was a huge improvement over the Christmas. I was really happy. I was also really happy to go to the store and see prices on the stuff again. It's awesome. All right, box number 2. We've got plates again, our little plate set. It was $24.99. We had a repeat on some eggs. So we've got the iridescent eggs for $4.99. Iridescent. the foamy pastels for $4.99. And I think there was another one, it may be buried a little bit. But look at this. Look at how pretty. This is glass, and it is $14.99 normally. And this one was on there. Look at how pretty. So this one's blue mostly, but it's got like that iridescent color to it too. And that is $24.99. Look how pretty. See? Really pretty put together. And not chipped or broken. We have some foamy stickers, $4.99. Just like little foamy Easter eggs. We've got some, what are those? Bottle, yeah, like the trees. Those bottle cleaner, bottle bristle things. $19.99, little carrots. Those would be a better size for inside the baskets. And we have another small bunny for $24.99. These are awesome. I mean, I have so many of those that I can make a few. What would be really cute is because we have so many, if you had the baskets in these, you could make like a few different ones. And then if you have like a porch that's got stairs on it and put them on the steps, that would be really cute. Some metallic eggs. Those should be the $4.99. Yep, $4.99 for the metallics. Paper plates. Love, $5.99. We have more eggs, but different. Look how pretty. So these are wooden, and then you like paint your designs on them, and they have a flat bottom, which is nice, so you stand them up to decorate. Those are $9.99. We've got another cutlery for $9.99. And we have this cool, it's like Susie garland, little eggs. And then these are like those little squish balls. You remember those squish balls from the quarter machines? It's kind of like that, but they're squiggly. That's normally $19.99. We've got some more $4.99 foamy pastel-y eggs. One thing that's nice about the foam too is if you take skewers, you can punch through them. So you can like stack a few of those up and put a skewer through of different colors. And you can make your own pick with this. Oh, we got a little baby blue. He is normally $14.99. We've got another iridescent egg for $4.99. We've got another sparkly egg for $4.99. This is really pretty too. This is purple, and then it has like a gold edge to it. And it's glass. And nothing's broken or chipped again. This is normally $19.99. Basket garland, $2.99. So you hang it on the Easter basket. A Peeps light up, I don't know, light up something, $5.99. I don't know how you get it to light up, and the tag is over it, so I really can't read what it says other than light up. Oh, it says it's a, looks like a spring. I think it says light up spring. See it? That's interesting. We have this pretty confetti looking ribbon for $9.99. That's awesome because that could be used for birthdays. But if you do the basket idea, this would be really cute to put on the basket, or you change out like, I don't know, like this guy from being blue on blue. You could shrink that, kind of fold it in half and do a different colored little bow to give him a pop of color. What we got? another Mama Chick. Mama Chick is $34.99 normally. Did anyone put these outside for Easter or for any other holiday? These little things with the, I don't know what this stuff's called. It's like the flocky stuff. If you did, how did it hold up? And was it under like a porch? Or did you have it out in the weather? Because I'm wondering. She could maybe put some little rebar or some little concrete on their little feet so they don't fall over, and then put them in a centerpiece. Another little squish squish ball garland. Also $19.99. This little super cute guy. See, he's kind of wicker. It's pretty cool. He is ceramic. He is $14.99, and he also has no chips or cracks. And pow, one of the paint-it-yourself nutcrackers. This is normally $14.99, and what I'm thinking is, if you pop those ears off and you pop this little thing, because this looks like it's glued, but if you pop those off, you could just make him a regular nutcracker. You could even take his little nose off if you wanted to, but I think this would be cool for a different holiday. I mean, it'll be neat to like keep for Easter if you want to, but I still like nutcrackers for Christmas time, not for every holiday. And look at how cute. Those are great for summer. They're little champagne flutes, all different colors, so you don't have to use the little wine charm things. And those are $14.99. So much, 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 much better than the last boxes. And I don't remember them ever having boxes out this close to each other. Normally, by the time you're getting Easter, you're getting like Easter summer. So you're getting the Easter stuff, the St. Patty stuff. Oh, we didn't even get St. Patty stuff. That's cool. I don't need any more. So usually it's Easter, St. Patty's, Pride, and what's the other one that's normally in there? Oh, 4th of July. So that wasn't the case this time. They came out with just these Easter, and it was like a really quick turnaround from the Christmas ones. But what I think they may be doing is having to make room, because when I went today, there is a new Jonathan Adler collection that's at Michael's, and it was beautiful. It's got a blue and white collection. It has a black and white collection. And what's cool is all the little stuff. I didn't get anything like it in these boxes, but you know, ceramic stuff at Michael's that you paint yourself. So instead of it being just regular like a dog head or flower or whatever, it is some of the Jonathan Adler designs. And what they've done is, if you see my videos of the past, I'll change up decor and repaint stuff from like Home Goods and TJ Maxx or Goodwill to make it match with my decor. If your colors are not in the blues or the black and white, they have Christopher Adler, or like paint it yourself things. And they have the different little geometric patterns actually raised. So you can follow it and do that really cool. They also had some really cool stencils that I bought too. So I'm gonna post some shorts on those so you can see the collections, but they are really awesome, and everything had prices on it. So hope you like this one, hope you scored some good boxes too, and I'll see you on the next one.